Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into the BONVORK 2-in-1 walking pad folding treadmill. This compact treadmill is a game changer for anyone looking to stay active while working or relaxing at home. With its 2-in-1 functionality, you can slide it under your standing desk for a productive workday or let the elderly and kids walk at a comfortable 2.5 miles per hour with the safety of the handrail. And for those intense workouts, crank it up to a max speed of 7.5 miles per hour. Burning around 420 calories in just 30 minutes. The extended running belt, measuring 43 inches by 16 inches, accommodates various strides and ensures a comfortable experience for individuals up to 5 feet 11 inches. The 4-layer non-slip running belt and 6 silica gel columns deliver excellent shock absorption, protecting your knees, muscles, and joints. What's impressive is the thoughtful inclusion of a dust cover, allowing you to neatly store the treadmill under the couch or bed when not in use, keeping it free from dust, scratches, and moisture. Assembly is a breeze, and the compact design with transportation wheels makes mobility effortless. Powered by a quiet 2.0 HP motor, this treadmill supports up to 220 pounds, providing a quiet and comfortable exercise environment without disturbing your neighbors. The remote control lets you adjust speed seamlessly, and the built-in Bluetooth speaker and phone holder add a fun element, allowing you to enjoy music or videos during your workout. In conclusion, the BONVORK 2-in-1 walking pad folding treadmill is a versatile and practical fitness solution, perfect for home, apartment, or office use. With a 365-day warranty and outstanding customer service, BONVORK is committed to providing high-quality products. Stay active, stay healthy. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.